Yo, what's good with you? I may cuss, but I don't curse. Let's get that situated first. And I'm about to do a reading for the Cancers and the Cancer Cross Watchers included. You're all welcome to be here. You should be here. You could be here, so why not? I'm thankful for you being here. And it's going to be a 3-card drawing, going to hold you long. Hey, yo, it's crazy work, but pause that. You know what I mean? Cards are already out here. I did not swindle you. This is the Ace of Wands in reverse, followed by the Death card in reverse, followed by the Four of Wands in reverse. Big change. Big changes underway. Big changes underway. Transformational type of change. There's a large potential here for a new beginning. Okay? A new beginning. This could be a business, as a matter of fact, or a business in some type of way. This can also be a relationship. I'm even hearing relationships, plural, for you players out there. But not even that in that so directly in that type of way. Just the freedom to be able to be in the type of community that ain't tripping because you have favor or some type of pull or magnetic aura about yourself. And it could be something that's online is really what I'm really saying. Like some type of online presence or something like that. But here's the kicker, right? Because that's just the surface of the reading. There's things underneath the hood here. One being is this. You see, there could be an expectation of people around you or people that you're involved with that they feel entitled. And they're entitled because you're predictable in some area of your life. And they feel that should they stick around or should they always have access to you? Access, key word here, is that they'll always be able to be a part of your life. Therefore, they'll always be able to be a part of the successes of your life. And this just doesn't mean financially. As a matter of fact, I don't see finance being the actual thing here that has these people clinging to you. It's just who you are. It's more about who you are. And of course, the potential to generate and whatever historical records they have of you being able to generate income based upon who you are or what you do. But this new beginning, this, like I said, a huge potential for a new beginning is questioning everything that is foundational about who and what you are. Meaning, if you was to transform right now, would those same people who feel entitled be able to transform with you? It's the question that's being asked for you to ask yourself. Would they be able to handle the new you? If you were to dye your hair purple and blue right now, would they be able to handle the new you? If you were to start saying, you know what, I'm going vegan or I'm practicing this now. If you were to put on a kufi right now, say I'm going to be Islam now. If you was to change deeply right now, would those people be able to transform with you? Would they be able to accept you? Would they be able to tolerate you? Would they still feel entitled? Because let's say that they could tolerate it and still be able to do all of those things. It's not showing that it makes them right either. It may expose them. Or saying, oh, y'all don't care what I be. Y'all don't care what I do. Where's your standards? Where do you draw the line? You know, there's so many things that's questionable right now. There's things on the chopping block because of this transformation and this change. And I don't see this in the form of, because the Tower card is not out here, but it's kind of feeling that way. It's kind of feeling like the change that you're going to make, the transformation that you're going to make is going to shake things up so much that people are going to have to put their own reputations on the line to be mentioned with you, to be seen with you. You understand what I'm saying? Something bold, something bold. But again, I strongly feel career travel may be included with this. You may have to bust a move. And all of these cards are in reverse because these things are not definite. These things are not final. These things are being questioned. Are you going to do it or are you not? Right? You can remain the same. And the Death card is not just signaling you out, but you feel it more than the other people. They're all under the same chopping block. Maybe they're not going to be able to change in the type of way that makes them correlate with you or resonate with you. Or maybe they're expected to change in ways that are really more personal than it has to do with their attachment to you. And it would actually enable the union that y'all have to be able to be more fresher, to be able to be more trusting, and to be able to let each other be able to express freedom ultimately. Because the Four of Wands being in reverse right now shows me that your transformation or your change may not allow that, may not enable that, or it may ruffle some feathers. I see feathers in the picture too, if that were to come about. And I think that's what the big test here is. Who can form a union with you after your transformation? Till next time.